Hello everyone. Let me discuss with you today about a wonderful software from SimTel Technologies Private Limited, Indore, India. The software name is SimTel, and the SimTel stands for Simplified Teaching and Learning. I can say proudly that I am using this particular software for classroom teaching. I am taking many subjects and I normally use this particular software while explaining difficult topics to students through an animation. Say for example, when you are explaining in a classroom about a PN junction diode, we explain when a PN junction is reverse biased, electrons and holes are moving away from the junction. Now for a common student it becomes very difficult to visualize it when you are explaining through a two-dimensional diagram or a PowerPoint presentation or through your theoretical dialogue. But when I use this tool, I can show on a screen there is a PN junction, and when I am increasing the reverse bias voltage, the electrons and holes moves away from the junction, and this is the reason that depletion layer gets widened and widened. And student understand such difficult topic very easily, and it remains in his particular mind that how this happens. SimTel is available for different subjects. It is available for analog electronics, for digital electronics, for basic electronics and electrical engineering, for analog communication, digital communication, broadband communication, and difficult subjects like microwave, for antenna, fiber optics, and the software defined radio. It is also available now for IoT, power electronics, so digital signal processing. So it's a fantastic tool, and I really feel proud that I'm using this in a superb way to explain difficult topics to my students. During few next videos, I will take some examples from different modules of SimTel that how this animated content are helpful in your teaching and for student for learning. Thank you so much.